Greetings, Earthlings! Welcome back to Semrow Farms. Today we're talking about companion planting, specifically tomatoes, peppers, basil, and a little bit more. First, we gotta mix our soil. We do pretty much a 1-to-1 with Coast and Maine organic and compost soil. First up, we got cherry tomatoes and hot banana peppers. Tomatoes and peppers, they grow really well together. Basically, if it goes well together in the kitchen, in your recipes, it's going to grow well together. That's a general rule of thumb that I like to follow. But what I'm doing here is I'm using the pot to make a little space for it, so I can just plop them out like that, and then stick them right in the hole. This one kind of fell apart. It was a little dry. We'll take care of that later. Same thing with the cherry tomato. We'll just plop it right in there, give it a little covering with the compost on top. Next up is going to be our heirloom tomatoes and our green bell peppers. The heirloom tomatoes remind me of my granny. She used to have those growing in the garden and slice them up with a little salt, pepper, and a nice healthy dollop of mayo on there. Delicious summer snack. Those are going to be great. They go good on sandwiches too. The peppers we use in our tacos and basically every recipe we make, we're using peppers. So bell peppers, you gotta have them. They're basically a staple. Now just give them a little cover of compost, a little jump start, and on to the next. Next one, we got more beefsteak heirlooms. We got habanero peppers and sweet basil. The habaneros are for the chili, which my kids absolutely love. It's one of the only soups they'll eat. And I do want to try and make my own hot sauce this year. See if I can't work that out. I think that'll be a good use of the habanero. What other things do you think I could make? Leave a comment for me. Sweet basil. My seeds didn't go very great, so I decided to just grab one of these starters at Lowe's when I was doing my thing there. When the starters are on sale 3 for $10, it's kind of hard to pass up, you know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. Next up, we're mixing up the soil for the kitchen herb garden. This is going to be a mixture of half starter and half some of my seeds that did make it, and the list that's right there. The chamomile obviously is a starter. My seeds never took. Same with the sage and the lavender. However, my dill, fennel, thyme, and parsley all did make it, so we're going to transfer those over from the seed starting pods that I made into this, and we're going to have all these kitchen herbs together in a nice big pot. This is the dill that I started from seed. We'll put him right in the middle, my little centerpiece. These are my focus seeds, my fennel seeds that I got from Focus. Those ones actually did take and were good. So we're going to put those in. Like I said, transfer them over. And the same thing for my thyme seeds that I actually took. Those ones are little tiny babies, so we're just carefully moving them over and putting them in their new forever home. Hopefully they'll continue to thrive. And once everything's in the new forever homes, don't forget to water. Put some food on here too, some organic plant food on here to help everything keep going. And giving everything a nice healthy dose of water here, and we will keep you posted as we progress. But there is something very important missing from this companion planting, and I wonder if you guys can tell me what it is. Stay tuned for the next video, which we will fix that problem. Make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on so you can be tuned for new episodes.